Today we're going to look at repairing the MixRite water power proportioning system. The two most common parts for repairs are the check valve kit and the lip seal kit, and that will encompass 90% of the repairs that you have to do to your unit. We'll start with the check valve because you can actually do it with the unit still hooked onto the wall. So with the unit on the wall, you want to cut the water off to the unit so that you don't have any leaks happening as you're changing out the check valve. You'll pull the chemical tubing off the bottom of the check valve. You'll take off this black nut down here, and you'll take the old check valve and you go ahead and put it off to the side. You may want to take parts off of it, or you can throw it away, and you'll take your new check valve out of your kit, put it into place, and then replace the black nut to put it on. And before you put the chemical tubing back on, I would suggest cutting the water onto the unit, and then you can feel the suction on the bottom. Once you've felt that it's sucking, you can go ahead and hook your chemical tubing back up and make sure that everything is flowing as normally. The other repair that we'll show you how to do today is the lip seals. The lip seal kit repair is a little bit more involved, so we suggest that you actually take the unit down off the wall so that you can work on it on a bench area or somewhere where you can actually take some parts apart and see what's going on with the unit. So once you've got the unit off the wall, it's depressurized, and you've got all the water out of it, you can go ahead and take the top off the unit. Once you take the top off the unit, you can pull the engine out, and once you have the engine out, you have access to all of the wear parts on the unit. When you start, you'll take off the upper lip seal, and you'll just use a pair of side snips or needle nose pliers to pull that off, and then you'll take off the lower lip seal. Once you have those two off, you'll move down to the chemical piston seal, and you'll take that off with a flathead screwdriver. After you have those parts off, you'll want to open up your new lip seal kit and start from the bottom and go back up. You'll put on the chemical piston seal first, then you'll move to the lower lip seal. And the lower lip seal, if it's a dual lip seal, you want to make sure that the small end is facing up towards the top of the engine. Once you have the lower lip seal on, you'll move to the upper lip seal. You'll push that one on. Once you have both lip seals on and in place, you want to make sure that you use the silicone grease that's provided. You put grease around both of the lip seals so that they're ready to go back into the unit. Once you do that, you can put the engine back into the unit, and then you put the top back on the unit. And then your unit's ready to go back on the wall and back into service. Be sure to check out our other videos at the links provided.